All right, y'all, this might end up being one of my favorite chairs because although, you know, we are in 2024 and we're so used to everything being powered and plugging up and press a button and do all of that, this is a manual recliner, but it's so easy to do. So you have your button over here that you are going to release and it's going to lift up. And then, so if you get in position and you actually push back, it reclines. What is up, fam? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. I am Brandon, and today we have something a little bit different. I have received this big old box. Let's walk over here and show you. You see this? We have a chair, and I'm going to share about what company it came from. They sent me this chair, but we got to put it together. And to start that, we're actually going to bring it downstairs because there's more room downstairs. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, for starters, why didn't y'all tell me this was upside down? Y'all done had me open the box and now I gotta flip it. So let's pray that we can hold everything in. All right, much better. Let's get our knife. A lot of plastic here. We got some instructions. It's in English, French. Wow, it's in like 4 different languages. Jax is down here as well, you all. Okay, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna see. So we're gonna get everything out of the box. The chair is complete. It wasn't, I'm not gonna say it was super difficult because, you know, putting stuff together, you have those things that are a little bit of challenge and then you have those things that are less challenging. My biggest part was the armrests, getting those put on, because the bottom part already comes put together. So that was the biggest issue. Now, if you didn't have this bottom part, would have made way much easier for me to put the armrest on. So I have not sat in it, and we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna sit in it and see what happens. This is the first impressions of me sitting in it, and I'm gonna turn it to the side so you get to see what happens when you sit down. Okay, oh, it's pretty firm. It is really firm, you all. So I'm gonna turn it. Okay, the swivel is pretty good. And let's see, we're gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see me. There we go. All right, so we're gonna recline it. And that button it's right here. So the recline button is right here. So I'm gonna pull it out. This is kind of like the office chair with a little bling to it. This is very firm. It has a very firm, doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall out. And I can actually, it has a little rock if I needed it to reach up and get something. So I'm very impressed with this chair. I was, when I did see it online, when I was offered to get it, I was just like, you got to put it together. Because you know how those things are when you got to put a chair together. I've put office chairs together, and then, you know, sometimes you come with missing parts. I literally do not have any extra screws or bolts or anything, and it came with 2 size wrenches for you to screw in everything. So I really think this is a great deal. So you have your button over here that you are going to release, and it's going to lift up. And then, so if you get in position and you actually push back, it reclines. And it goes a nice length. This is like the perfect office chair for when you're working and you want to just relax because you can't leave the computer and you just need to take a break. But by this having a circle type of built to it, it just stays stationary and you're able to turn around. So I most definitely will be using this chair. It's going to probably go in my studio as of now. And yeah, this is going to be my little workhorse. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this chair from Osmo, this is the Homcom Faux leather lounge chair with footrest and armrest. I am able to give you 10% off using my code Brandon10. I will make sure to put the link at the bottom in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.